AlfAccurate advises AAA India Opportunity Plan is one of India's oldest PMS strategies with a track record of over 16 years. It has consistently generated long-term alpha through an active multi-cap approach. But with a 2.5% annual fee and increasing overlap with mutual funds, the real question is, does it still deserve a place in your portfolio today? This video helps you to find out the answer. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the fund's snapshot. Inception November 2009, benchmark BSE 500 TRA, AUM 2167 crores, minimum investment rupees 50 lakhs, portfolio 40 to 60 stocks, large cap 57%, mid and small cap 29%, cash 14%. Fee option fixed fee 2.5% per annum, variable fee 1.5% plus 20% profit share above 10% hurdle, exit load 2% within 1 year. Investment philosophy follows an agile multi-cap strategy with active sector rotation. Investors across market caps based on valuation and opportunity. Focuses on long-term wealth creation while managing downside risk. The investment process has remained consistent for over 16 years. Next, let us look at the suitability. This PMS may be suitable for investors with a 5 to 10 year investment horizon and investors seeking active stock selection beyond passive investing, investors who value downside protection and experienced fund management, and investors with limited exposure to active multi-cap strategies. This PMS may not be suitable for investors already holding diversified large cap and flexi cap mutual funds, cost conscious investors, investors expecting consistent short term alpha, and investors seeking highly differentiated small cap exposure. Next, performance review. Key numbers. Recent performance has softened with negative alpha over 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. However, the strategy has generated positive alpha over 2 years, 3 years, 5 years and since inception. Since inception, it has outperformed the benchmark by around 5.2% annually. Rolling returns also remained ahead of the benchmark across 1 year, 3 year and 5 year periods. Key observation, recent underperformance appears more cyclical than structural. The long-term investment skill remain evident. Next, calendar year performance. Strong alpha in financial year 2015, 18 and 2025. Underperformance in the year 2019, 2024 and 2026. Performance has varied with market cycles and sector leadership. Next, fee reality. 2.5% fixed fee or 1.5% plus 20% profit share above a 10% hurdle. Since inception, the manager has generated enough alpha to broadly justify the fee. However, over recent years, the gap over low-cost index fund has narrowed considerably. Today, the strategy sits closer to break-even than clear value addition. Next, let us look at an illustration. If you invest rupees 50 lakhs, after 5 years, AAA IOP PMS would have grown to 1.04 crores and passive index fund would have grown to 99 lakhs. After 7 years, AAA IOP PMS would have grown to 1.39 crores and passive index fund would have grown to 1.30 crores. Fee impact. Estimated fee drag 11.7 lakhs over 5 years and 22.4 lakhs over 7 years. Here are the key insights. The PMS still beats the index after fees, but the margin of outperformance is much smaller than the headline since inception alpha suggests. Next, zero-based thinking test. Ask yourself, if I had rupees 50 lakh today, would I choose this PMS over a low-cost index fund or diversified mutual fund? Ignore past decision. Focus on current fee structure, recent alpha, portfolio overlap, and alternate investment opportunities available today. Next, decision factor scorecard. First, let us look at the positives and then we can move on to negatives. Positives, strong 16-year track record. Positive alpha over 2 year, 3 year, 5 year and since inception. Excellent downside protection, outperformed in 16 out of 18 volatile periods. Experienced founder-led management. High transparency and disciplined investment process. Concerns, recent short-term underperformance. 57% large cap allocation increases overlap with mutual funds. Premium fee has become harder to justify. Alpha generation has become less consistent. Current portfolio is less differentiated than earlier years. Next, the core portfolio architecture question. Ask yourself, does this PMS genuinely add something to your existing mutual fund or not? With 57% invested in large cap, Many investors may already own similar exposure through large cap and flexi cap funds. The value lies mainly in its concentrated mid and small cap ideas, not the large cap allocation. What a genuinely complementary PMS looks like. A good satellite PMS should invest where mutual funds cannot easily invest, deliver clear net of alpha, have low portfolio overlap, follow a differentiated investment process, justify its higher fee through unique opportunities, not simply replicate a mutual fund portfolio. Next, exit consideration. Exit load 2% within the first year, nil thereafter. Taxation, stocks are held directly. Long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain apply at the individual stock level. Long-term capital gain above rupees 1.25 lakhs taxed at 12.5%. Short-term capital gain taxed at 20% plus cess. Here is a practical tip. If exiting, consider staggered redemption across financial years to improve tax efficiency. Next, quick summary. What works and what doesn't. What works? Strong 16-year track record with 5.2% since inception alpha. Positive rolling return across 1 year, 3 year and 5 year period. Strong downside protection during volatile markets. Experienced and transparent fund management. Proven long-term stock picking ability. What doesn't work? Recent 1 year, 6 month and 3 month underperformance. High 2.5% fee reduces net alpha. 57% large cap allocation overlaps with mutual funds. Underperformance over passive funds has narrowed. Less differentiated than many investors expect from a PMS. Here are the key takeaways. AAA IOP has generated genuine long-term alpha around 5.2% annually since inception. Recent performance has been weaker with negative alpha over short-term periods. Despite high fees, the PMS still modestly performs a passive index after cost. Downside protection remains one of its biggest strengths. And the portfolio's 57% large cap creates overlap with many mutual fund portfolios. The key decision is not whether the manager has skill, but whether this strategy still adds enough value to justify its fee. Here is our final verdict. AAA India Opportunity Plan is not a broken PMS. It has demonstrated genuine investment skill over more than 16 years with strong downside protection and consistent long-term alpha. However, its edge has narrowed in recent years as fees and portfolio overlap have become more significant. For investors already holding diversified mutual funds, the focus should be on whether this PMS still adds meaningful diversification and net of fee value. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to a financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.